Morning, everybody. Steven's breaking out the big guns this morning, battling for his Trilogo Fett with the card, which is awesome. I got 50 spots that I'm going to copy on my way up here. And then we're going to go up and just take one last look, just for kicks, and to make sure we all know why we're here, in case any of us doesn't. There it is. Looks pretty sweet from where I'm sitting. Going to paste them in there, 1 through 50. We got them all, which is a great start. You can see there we got 50. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. We got 2 5s, so we're doubly ready to go. Let's get to it. Good luck, guys. Raymond in the top spot there with number 1 in round 1. Manuel, round 2. Dennis, 3. Raymond takes 4, this time with number 18. Raymond takes 5, this time with 42. Jorge, round 6. Gene, round 7. Eric takes round 8 with number 41. Raymond again on top with number 1 in round 9, bringing us to the big one. Good luck, folks. It's a peach on a Sunday morning or early afternoon or evening, depending on where you are. And our winner is Jason Bozeman in at number 33. Congratulations, Jason. Here's the verification. JSLTMH. Jason Bozeman in at number 33 is the victor. I'm done at 1241. Just like that. There it is. 1241. There that is. Jason Bozeman in at number 33. Congratulations, sir. See you next time, guys. Later.